Cost of len function. What is the cost of len function for Python built-ins? List/tuple/string/dictionary.
It's O1, a constant time, not depending of actual length of the element, very fast, on every type you've mentioned, plus set and others such as array.array.
Calling len on those data types is O1 in Python, the official and most common implementation of the Python language. Here's a link to a table that provides the algorithmic complexity of many different functions in Python. Time complexity Python wiki page.
The below measurements provide evidence that LE is O1 for oft-used data structures. A note regarding timeit: when the S flag is used and two strings are passed to timeit, the first string is executed only once and is not timed. List. Tuple. String. Dictionary. Dictionary comprehension available in 2.7 plus. Array. Set. Set comprehension available in 2.7 plus. Deque.
All those objects keep track of their own length. The time to extract the length is small, O1, in big O notation, and mostly consists of rough description, written in Python terms, not C terms. Look up len in a dictionary and dispatch it to the built_in len function, which will look up the objects __len__ method and call that. All it has to do is return self.length.
Please